What's the meaning of calve? Calve. Calve.
calve, calve, The term calve typically refers to the process by which a large chunk of ice breaks off from a glacier or an iceberg and falls into the ocean. This process is also known as glacial calving or iceberg calving, and it results in the formation of icebergs that can be quite massive in size. These icebergs can pose a significant danger to ships and other vessels that pass through areas where they are commonly found, such as near the poles or in Arctic waters. The effects of calving on the environment and climate are also a subject of scientific research and concern.